Hi, this is Rich from NT Slot Cars, and today we're going to be running some extraction, and they're all Datsun 510s. We got some pit kits, a purchase car, some purchase cars, 5 purchase cars, and going to show them to you here. These 3 here are all pit kits I've been working on. They all have different tires on the back. Not sure where, I believe they're from. I'm not sure where they're from, to be honest with you. But anyway, and then this car here, the gold one, is from GBud. So this is all fine-tuned. I believe those are AFX wheels he put on. This is a really smooth car. Runs great. In the back, we have the number 5 Datsun. This is the number 9. And these are the two of the Brie cars. I had some more cars coming, and I just added to my collection of Datsuns. The one on the end here did have, I don't know, the shoes weren't right on it, so I put these ski shoes on it, and they really work well. And also on this car here, the hubs are bad. I mean, they were wobbling all over the place, so I put some AFX. I believe they're still the original tires that were on it, so these are all pretty much running as original tires except for this car. So we'll run them on the track, see how they do, and be right back. Okay, the first cars I'm going to run are the 3 pit kits I've been working on. I think these tires may be from, they need some cleaning, that's for sure. Clean the tires here a little bit. Gotta fix up my lint thing here. There we go. So clean the tires off. And give these a run. Whoop. I think the tires on this one, I think just a little too small in the back. So, might be putting some little bit, it kind of hangs in the back, I think. Now we're on the black stripe one. These look just as slow, but every car runs a little different. Blue one, trying to make one for each lane. Okay, those 3 cars I bought at Hobby Lobby. Well, yeah, I got them all at Hobby Lobby. So I paid $14 for them. Yeah, I added tires and painted them up, but for what you pay for them, pretty good car. Now this car here, which I got from GBud. I think I bought it from GBud for $30, but he painted it. He put all new wheels and tires on it and tuned it up. So for that, you can't beat it. This is a really smooth car. Whoop! A little too smooth there. I think I might be able to push the traction magnet down just a hair more on this car. I don't really want to mess with it. It's too nice of a car. Okay, now these are the purchase cars. This is the number 5 from Autoworld Extraction. I don't think I did anything to this. Except push the magnet down. I think some of the noise you get is from the tires. These are stock tires. If I put snow cones on, it'd be a lot smoother. I bought this one SlotCarDepot Central, which I think I paid $24 for this car. So I didn't pay much for this car. I buy a lot of cars from SlotCarDepot Central on their clearance and their monthly specials. So you can get good deals on the cars. A lot cheaper than paying $35 for them. Oh, I did it again. Next car is the German Frankfurt, it says on it. Datsun number 9. I did replace the rear wheels. I'll probably get AFX black ones for the front too, to match them up. That's what GBud had put on that car. These wheels were really out of whack. Runs really well. This car's pretty smooth too. Not hopping. Makes a difference putting different wheels and tires on these cars. Good running car. Next is the Simonized number 46 Brie car. These ran pretty good coming out of the box. Oop. I think for the money, these run pretty good. think you can get this one on SlotCarDepot right now for $19.95. And this is the number 85 Brie car. I did put ski shoes on the front. We'll see how that runs. This has stock tires on. All pretty good running cars. Let me finish out the video and I'll be right back with you. Okay, they're the cars I just ran. I think the purchase cars that are in a package that are already built really run well. A little bit of tweaking on them. The one from GBud is really smooth. 3 pit kits I put together, they still need some work. I think the tires are a little bit too small in diameter. But I don't think there's a car. I think the only car I paid more for was this car here. I think I paid $31 for that car. Just couldn't seem to get that one on sale. I think that's the one anyway. But like the 46, the 6, and the 5, those Datsuns, I didn't pay more than $24 for those cars. I did pay $30 from GBud, but that one's custom painted. New wheels and tires on. That one's a good car, so that was well worth it. And the other 3 cars in the back, these 3 I only paid $14 from Hobby Lobby. So I mean, I know people knock Autoworld all the time, but you'd be surprised what you can do with these cars for what you pay. A couple dollars. Even you saw some of those cars running with stock tires, and they still ran well. So. I know they put a knock on them all the time, but if you don't have a big budget, they're great. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love my Viper cars and any other cars that I build, the Super 7s, any of those cars. I do like them, and they're great cars. You pay a lot more money for them, but you get what you pay for. If when you spend $50, $60 for a car, you expect it to be good, and those are good cars. But I'm not going to knock Autoworld like some people do. I think it just needs a little tweaking, and that's what I like to do. So I know some guys chew the tires, and Autoscaler, I think it is, I forget his name, Paul. He chews all his tires. He spends very little money to fix his cars up, and they all run really great. So that's about it today. I'm going to have another video on some of these other cars I have. I'm going to do a couple G Plus there. I'm going to do some more Autoworld, run some of those cars, and I also have a couple more hauls coming in, so we'll work on them and run them and see what we got. And thanks for watching. Appreciate it, and hope to see you again. Bye.